Welcome to GATHA channel, where we bring you the best ideas for designing small spaces with style and comfort. Today, we're diving into ways to make your apartment look effortlessly stunning for Instagram. Let's start with the power of natural light. Lighting plays a huge role in how your space looks and feels. Natural light creates a fresh and airy atmosphere, making even the smallest apartments feel bigger and brighter. Keep your window treatments light. Opt for sheer curtains or blinds that roll up completely. Let sunlight highlight the details of your space, from cozy textiles to houseplants that thrive in its glow. Position mirrors strategically to reflect light and open up the room even more. A sunlit space not only feels inviting but also photographs beautifully, giving your Instagram feed a warm, natural aesthetic. A neutral color palette is a timeless way to create an elegant and Instagram-worthy apartment. Soft whites, warm beiges, and subtle grays set the perfect foundation, allowing your decor elements to shine. These tones also make a small space feel more open and cohesive, giving it a clean and sophisticated look. To keep things visually interesting, add depth by layering different shades within the same color family. A white couch can be enhanced with cream or taupe throw pillows, and light wooden furniture can add warmth to an otherwise monochrome space. Pops of color can come from decorative pieces like artwork, vases, or textiles. This approach ensures your apartment remains stylish and photogenic, ready for effortlessly aesthetic Instagram shots at any time. Even in a small apartment, a bold statement piece can bring personality and charm to your space. The key is to choose one standout element that draws attention without overwhelming the room. This could be a striking accent chair in a rich color, a dramatic floor mirror, or a unique light fixture that sets the tone for the entire space. A well-placed statement piece serves as a focal point, making your interior feel curated and stylish. If you prefer a more minimal look, opt for a piece with interesting textures, such as a sculptural coffee table or a patterned area rug. By keeping the rest of the decor simple, your statement item remains the star of the space, creating an Instagram-worthy moment that reflects your style. When floor space is limited, look up. Maximizing vertical space is a smart way to make your apartment both functional and stylish. Wall-mounted shelves, tall bookcases, and hanging storage units help keep surfaces clutter-free while adding a design element to your space. Floating shelves, for example, can display beautiful decor pieces like candles, framed prints, and small plants. A vertical pegboard in the kitchen or a workspace adds both convenience and character. Even in the bedroom, a wall-mounted headboard with built-in storage can enhance both form and function. By thinking vertically, you free up more space for movement while making your apartment look well-designed and effortlessly chic for Instagram photos. A well-designed space isn't just about color, it's also about texture. Layering different materials adds depth, making your apartment feel more inviting and visually appealing. Start with soft elements like linen curtains, a wool rug, or a knit throw blanket. Then, balance it with natural materials like wooden furniture, woven baskets, or stone accents. Mixing textures creates a sense of warmth and coziness, which translates beautifully in photos. A smooth leather chair against a plush fabric sofa, or a glossy ceramic vase on a rustic wooden table adds contrast and dimension. This attention to detail makes your space feel thoughtfully designed, ensuring that every Instagram shot captures a stylish and comfortable atmosphere. Plants breathe life into any space, instantly making it feel fresher and more vibrant. Whether it's a large fiddle leaf fig in the corner, a collection of succulents on a shelf, or trailing ivy hanging from a ceiling hook, greenery adds texture and color to your apartment. Beyond aesthetics, plants also improve air quality and bring a sense of calm to your home. Choose low-maintenance plants if you're new to indoor gardening. Snake plants, pothos, and ZZ plants thrive with minimal care. Style them in decorative pots to complement your interior design. The presence of greenery not only enhances your daily living space but also creates visually appealing Instagram shots that feel natural and effortless. Having a designated cozy nook makes your apartment feel even more inviting. This could be a small reading corner with a comfy armchair, a blanket, and a warm-toned lamp. A side table with a book, a scented candle, and a cup of coffee completes the perfect scene for relaxation. A well-styled corner also serves as the ideal backdrop for Instagram content. Soft lighting, natural textures, and thoughtful decor make it look both stylish and lived in. You don't need a lot of space, just a small area that feels personal and comfortable. Whether it's for reading, journaling, or unwinding after a long day, a cozy corner adds charm to your apartment and makes every photo feel warm and inviting. Minimalism doesn't mean a lack of personality. It's about choosing decor intentionally. Instead of overcrowding your space with multiple small items, focus on a few statement pieces that reflect your style. A simple wooden coffee table, a sleek floor lamp, or a well-placed framed photo can make all the difference. Keep surfaces clean and uncluttered, but don't be afraid to showcase meaningful objects like travel souvenirs, hand-picked art, or a unique ceramic collection. A minimalist approach allows the details to shine, making your apartment look effortlessly stylish. The balance of simplicity and personality makes every corner of your home perfect for Instagram-worthy moments.